The quantum world is weird. Causality breaks down. Time seems reversible or even irrelevant. But the universe we live in, a ticking cosmic clock marching forward. Why are the rules so different? Why does the universe seem split in two? One for atoms, one for galaxies? Maybe it's not the universe that's wrong. Maybe our brains are the glitch. In special relativity, space and time are not separate. They merge into one seamless entity, space-time. Motion through space slows your motion through time. What you call now is just a location, not a moment, not a flow, just your current position in a four-dimensional map where past, present, and future coexist. In this view, change is an illusion. You don't move through time, you're smeared across it like a worm embedded in a crystal. So why does it feel like time flows? Because your brain is a storyteller. It strings together frames of this 4D crystal and plays them like a movie. But the film reel was already written. You never had to press play. Let's go even further. What if space-time itself is not fundamental? What if it emerges from something deeper, like quantum entanglement or even consciousness itself? That is why time doesn't even exist in some theories. It is just how a 3D creature experiences a 4D reality. Now enter a new idea. Time might have 3 dimensions, just like space. In this model, the stage, the very fabric of the universe, is built from time, but not space. If you could move along a second time axis, you might visit alternate versions of this exact moment, like parallel snapshots of now. Not yesterday, not tomorrow, but other versions of this very second. Same you, different choices, different outcomes. If you could access the third time dimension, you might shift from one entire timeline to another, not by traveling forward, but by sliding sideways through time. Unlike many wild theories, this one has teeth. It predicts real particle masses, like the top quark and the electron, with shocking accuracy. And it avoids the usual paradox traps that haunt other multi-time theories. If this is true, then what you call now is just your angle of view. Maybe it's just the universe, seen from another direction of time. It gives us a new perspective on why we can't travel through time. We've been stuck in one dimension of it. Then déjà vu, fate, quantum weirdness, even multiverse don't seem so weird. They are just shadows from time's other 2 dimensions, brushing past us while we're looking the wrong way. And most haunting of all, you are not in the universe, but just a shadow cast by its deeper structure. From the tiniest particles to the grandest galaxies, the universe might obey the same deep law. Reality may be illusory, but our awe and love for this world will always be real. Thanks for watching.